Someone just said action from behind the camera. All right, so 7-foot tent, hot tent, Amazon, link down below. We're gonna open this puppy up. It's a stupid deep boxing video now. I have a feeling we'll be so disappointed. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's confusing. Okay. Don't need that anymore. I think we could bury a body in that box. This is not the right tent. The picture is a round tent. The thing says Teepee Hot Tent. Oh, I'm gonna be so pissed. I'll find out in a second, huh? I don't even feel this is not the right tent. No way. Well, maybe. Maybe there's a way. As usual, no instructions. I think the Chinese have given up making instructions because nobody reads them. Because nobody can read them. All right.
That's called English.
English. You sure? It's a teepee. Let's see there it is.
I like teepees.
God damn it.
I wanted a teepee.
All right, there it is. You tell me I gotta cut my own damn hole? This just feels like vinyl.
What is that?
This is where it's supposed to be heat sleeve for the tent. The stove goes through it. Gotcha. There should be a hole right in the center of this. This should be fireproof.
It's not.
Hasn't burnt it yet.
I see a mark on the back.
Yeah, that's not fireproof. So now I have to go buy a fireproof. It's not burning through. Ooh, it's hot.
What are you?
It's not burning through. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. Because they do make these things that are specifically designed for this stuff.
Penny.
But I gotta cut my own damn hole. Penny! But I gotta cut my own hole. Alright. Traditionally. All right. Not bad. What are you doing? What?
There we go.
Well, those are going to be right here.
Over there. Okay. Why are you doing that?
All right, guys. So far, 8 out of 10. I actually had to cut my own stovepipe hole. I'm not really confident in this fabric, but I did put a flame to it. And it didn't burn through it, but it definitely burned. So we'll put that on now. I just simply took the stovepipe, bent it in half, put it halfway on, and cut it for the circumference of the hole.
He said hole.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing? All right, so we got our hole now. Now it's time to get that stove.
Hole.
Hole. All right, so the one thing I had to do was go buy some tape to seal this up because it just floats in there, and it did put a little bit of soot through there. I'm wondering too. Okay, that's not bad. Oh. And then if you do buy this kind of tape, I recommend that you get it from, where did we go?
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight. It was half the price of what they charge at Walmart, Lowe's, or Amazon. And then the idea is that you just use this to seal up the seams. All right, and the stove's ready to go in. Turn it that way so we can take care of it tonight. May even take these shelves off it because it's just going to take up space. Okay, I think that's going to do it. And we'll put one over there and one over there. Okay. gotta go get wood. All right, in this edition of Prepper Cribs, we're gonna do a quick walkthrough. So we thrown a little carpet in there just because that's where the girls sleep. Got our stove loaded up. We're gonna be doing the burn top down tonight. So I'll sleep. Got a nice little ventilation vents up there. This is where our stove sticks out the top. We do a quick pass through, like so. There we go. And there she is. All right, so we'll stay in this tonight. We'll get back with you when the fire is started and it's dark. All right, what do we got here? There we go. It's going good now. Lots of heat happening in there. Let's throw a little wood in there. Maybe a little bit bigger piece. Just let that go. Where'd my little tool go? There it is. All right. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, I guess I'll see you in the morning. Oh, you're still here. Really? Okay, let's take care of that first. Morning, Patreons. Was an interesting night. This old stove, this old new stove, you basically got to keep it stoked with these all night long, like once every hour. Otherwise, yeah, you're screwed. Not a bad deal altogether. Let's throw the shoes on and take a look around. Huh? And you definitely need one of these. Okay. Just throw that back there for now. Whew. Let's set this up right here, I think. Ooh, camera moves. Whoa. Okay, so had a frost last night. Totally unexpected. The sleeping bags that we were using weren't rated for it. The stove did keep us warm, but like I said, you have to keep it running all night long. And we did have enough wood, but just barely. And I mean, at a certain point, you just kind of like go to sleep. If it was a survival situation, we definitely wouldn't have had enough wood. But let's face it, you can see the composter. We're in my big backyard. Then that's how you should be testing your gear out too. That way you know. And a lot of times what you can do is, hey, I forgot this, let's go get that. I forgot this, let's go get that. And then when I go and pack this thing up, then I actually have like the kit that I need. Overall, the tent worked out reasonably well. I forgot that it was a single wall tent, so that means condensation is going to build up in it as soon as the temperature changes. But it did not ever drip on us, so it just like went down the sides, and it was very, very minimal. Let me pick you up real quick and I'll walk you around the tent just so you can see what we're dealing with. I'm not exactly, hopefully I'm getting this right. We had little cots in there, which I think for this particular type of tent are a good deal. Let's go the other way. Oh hell, let's just go inside. Let's see. That's what we ended up with. Okay, let's get you guys set back up here. I think that'll do me well enough. Okay. So, overall, not a bad tent. It was very much smaller, compact than I expected for being such a large tent. You could actually use this as a hiking tent. It's definitely not an ultralight. I'll figure out what the weight is and I'll put it down in the description someplace. But yeah, that was it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I had a camera person doing the video, so I have no idea. I've never videoed anything this big before, so I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, everybody stay safe. Have a great day. Pay attention to what's going on in the world. And yeah, I'm going to give you the boop. Have a great day. Woohoo!